In today's video, we're gonna learn how to drape a 6-yard sari as a Gujarati-inspired Lehenga drape. Now for this drape, you can use any sari you already own. It's a great way to reuse an old sari and achieve a new look. I'm using the Adele sari from Bhuva.com along with the Eloise blouse and the black can-can skirt from Bhuva.com. Now for the can-can skirt, you can use any Lehenga skirt you have. I'd recommend a plain one, but a voluminous one so that your drape turns out beautiful and really accentuates the drape. So you want to take your sari and you want to take the fancy end. This is a mesh and embroidery sari, so it just has a ruffle border on all 3 ends for the fancy end. Now, whatever sari you're using, you're going to know which is the fancy end. You want to put that over your right shoulder. And so this is the Gujarati-inspired pallu part. You're going to take the rest of the sari and bring it to your left side. All right, so you want to take the other end and you want to start pleating. Now you can take as narrow or as wide pleats as you'd like. It doesn't really matter as long as you are able to pleat all of the sari. And this technique that I'm using is a technique that my mom taught me. You can check out my other videos on slower versions on how to do this pleat. It's super easy and quick to learn, and I highly recommend you try this out before starting any drapes. Now once you have all the pleats, you want to kind of stagger them so that they're nicely spread out. And at this point you can add a safety pin and then you want to tuck it in. And then this is the drape. You can either add a waist chain to make it a little bit more structured or leave it hanging like so. And that's it. This is a super easy drape to do, especially if you're not too excited about doing pallu pleats. It's just the front pleats and then throwing it over your right shoulder. It's a great way to also just reuse your old saris and give it a completely new look. I hope you try it out, and I will see you in a future video.